What's going on YouTube? Got some TJ Super Soil. Fucking only got a couple bags left. Did some transplanting and whatnot. There's my two mounted plants. Looking good. But let's look in the flower room here. I didn't make a video for week 7 of the madness. Kind of dropped the ball on that one. But we are towards the end of week 8 for the madness now. Everything's flushing really well. Everything's looking super fucking frosty, incredibly fucking dense. If my camera was better and I could upload in HD, I would go ahead and squeeze one of the buds to see if I can show you how hard it is. Really impressed with how they're turning out. Getting all heavy, starting to all fall down and stuff. But yeah, they'll be coming down next week sometime. We're at the end of week, or towards the end of week 5 for the super skunks. See, they're just massive beasts right now. Stupid frosty, very stinky. Just massive nuggets. Very impressed with them this time around. But yeah, when these come down, hopefully that'll be enough time for my TGA super soil plants. So hopefully I'll be getting the same results with the super soil as I am with the advanced nutrients. I mean, it looks like everyone else is. Mr. Split, Farmer John, Kelly Grown, fucking all you guys are killing it on that super soil. Hopefully I've watched your videos and paid attention enough with the putting the soil in the pots, and hopefully the plants will fucking dig it. But yeah, 13%er. Next video will probably be a chop video, and the update on the skunks and my super soil plants. So yeah guys, keep it green, stay positive, stay warm. 13%er for life.